Welcome to Parenting Teens in a Complex World. We must acknowledge that alongside developing physically and emotionally, adolescents also develop sexually. It is at this stage that the role of a parent becomes important in guiding them and setting boundaries, because children don't always think about the long-term consequences of their actions and often do things that put their safety and well-being at risk, like drinking, smoking, even sex, all which have legal implications. So let's talk to the experts. Adolescent sexual activity and teen pregnancies is a major cause of anxiety for parents. As a mother, I quite remember being petrified that my son should not get a girl pregnant. So I can quite understand the sentiment of parents who have daughters. Dr. Swati, can you guide parents on the procedure adopted by a doctor if a girl gets pregnant who's under 18 and wants an abortion?
Teen pregnancies are increasing in their number over past few years. In our country, POCSO law says that even consensual sex below the age of 18 is illegal. So if such a patient is coming to us, it is a team approach. We have to inform to the police, we have to get a gynecologist into our team, and we also have to look after lots of counseling of the teen and her parents and the boy who is involved into it. So there is a lot of complication and the child really goes through a lot of trauma, physical, psychological, and many times the total harmony in the house is disrupted and she is blamed. Actually, somewhere we are lacking because we are not giving them enough information, empowering them with life skills, how to say no, what are the boundaries, what are the consequences of all this risk-taking behavior in terms of sexual experimentation. They are not told about it.
It's not uncommon for teenagers to buy medicines over the counter without doctor's advice or go to shady clinics of quacks. Let me tell you, illegal abortions are the third leading cause of maternal deaths in India, contributing to 8% of deaths annually, as you can make out the dangers from these news reports alongside. The lockdown has seen an increase in unsafe abortions. Let's share expert advice from other countries. Gayatri, as an educator in New Zealand, do you impart sexuality education in school, and who in your opinion is the right person to communicate with the child, parents or teachers?
We here in foreign countries, we do teach children, we don't call it as a sexual health, we call it as health topic. It's covered under the health topic, where we talk about everything. We talk about their mental health, we talk about their physical health, we talk about their emotional health, and we talk about their physical changes. In those physical changes, we talk about what changes are coming in your body, like girls are going to be developing breasts, they're going to have periods and things like that. And boys, what happens to boys? Boys change as well. Their body changes, their voice changes, and apart from that, they also have their wet dreams and things like that. So it is a very open topic, discussed topic, where nobody's feeling uninformed and nobody's feeling challenged. Great question. Who should be teaching? Is it the teachers or the parents? I believe teachers play their own part in it. Teachers play a very important part in teaching in terms of as a biological health in a way, like how physical and emotional changes are coming through. But parents play an equal part as well, because parents talk about rules, because teachers do. Schools can have rules, but schools can have rules in their own form. But here, parents form rules, what they expect from their child. What is the expectation? If you believe you do not want your children to be physically and sexually involved in any scenario, so you need to form that rules. Our sons need to have equivalent rules as well, because it is not that I know boys have been somehow in conservative societies, it has been that yes, boys are free to do whatever they want to, but they need to understand they're not animals, they are human beings, and they need to understand that they have rules as well. Once they understand that concept, I guarantee you they will think twice. They will think thrice before they can get involved into such an event.
It's for the parents to teach the children rules and set boundaries for sexual behavior, including skills to handle temptations. Develop a positive and open home environment where the child feels safe approaching parents with concerns and questions. Discuss with your child the possible situations they may encounter and guide them how to deal with the different scenario. You must be the child's primary source of information. Put aside fears on talking about sexuality and present the information to the child using the right terms, including talking about contraception in an age-appropriate manner. Teach the child to be careful. सावधानी में सुरक्षा है.